So you can see here just how thick we can get it. So you can see the height that he's got there. You see it next to my thumb there?
And that was done.
I mean, that must be about 8 mil high.
Yeah.
So it's looking good. Now you can just imagine some of that polished up. You can see where we've started polishing up that edge there. And if we polish up more of these edges, which we will, you'll be able to just see how stunningly successful a design-led material this will be. Much the material can polish. So this, just to remind you, is aluminium metal.
There you go. Grit, 1000.
So as Dave was saying, we could go up to 4000 grit, which would be a very fine polish.
Yeah, you could get it near enough to a mirror finish if you wanted. You can go up to 6000.
Oh, 6,000.
And then you can use a metal polish as well to get it. So you can have all the background dull, just a bit shiny, but then the tops all polished. How sick would that look on a water feature?
Stunning. And of course we can do this in copper, we can do it in brass.
Yeah, all the metals.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.